love the taste of white rice, but you want the nutrition of brown rice? Here's how you get the best of both.
Wow!
And I just cooked up another pot, woo, of brown rice, white rice combo. The best thing of using a straight up brown rice is you can barely even tell. You just get this amazing big pot of glorious, delicious, comforting, starchy rice. So give this a try. I bet your family's gonna love it. You're gonna get the nutrition of brown rice and that comforting goodness of white rice.